Hi folks, I'm John Thornton. Here at the Pain Cure Clinic, we have one goal, and that's to help you cure your chronic illness. Now today we're going to talk about food allergies, which is a really misunderstood illness. In fact, I used to suffer from what I thought were food allergies and spent way too much time trying to figure out what I could and couldn't eat. First I thought I was gluten intolerant, then I thought I was lactose intolerant. Turns out I was just way too stressed out, and that may be your problem as well. So let's talk about how all this happens and how you can cure your food allergies so that you can eat, just like I can, anything you want to. So at the heart of the food allergy problem is the sympathetic nervous system, otherwise known as the fight or flight response. I'm sure you've heard of it. Now, this system evolved over thousands of years to prepare the body for imminent life-threatening danger, like being attacked by a bear, for example. And this protective system worked very well for all that period of time, or we probably wouldn't be here, we'd be extinct. However, today's modern world has now become very physically safe, but it's much more emotionally dangerous. And because the body processes stressors like text messages in exactly the same way it does a grizzly bear, the fight or flight response, which was rarely activated in our ancestors, is activated all the time now, and it's creating lots of problems. Now, there are two key components of the response that apply to food allergy sufferers. When fight or flight is initiated, the body releases high amounts of the chemical histamine. And at the same time, the body signals the digestive tract to slow down, because eating and digesting are not productive when you're fighting for your life. So in times of physical danger, the digestive system is designed to temporarily halt. Now, histamines have multiple functions within the body, but one of them is to ward off potentially dangerous invaders like pollen, for example. So what I think happens is that because your body is perceiving an imminent danger because of stress-induced fight or flight, it mislabels foods that you're not really allergic to as dangerous. Then your body mistakenly floods the gut with histamines, and that causes an allergic reaction. It's also important to note that histamines promote inflammation, which helps the body heal in the short run, but it causes all kinds of problems in the long run. So being continuously stressed out, which is the hallmark of modern society, creates an overdose of histamines, and that makes you feel like you're allergic to certain foods. So here's a list of the most common symptoms related to too much histamine in the gut. So here's the takeaway from this whole video. You're probably not really allergic to the foods that you think you are. It's actually just the body mistakenly trying to defend, protect, and prepare to heal itself by way of the fight or flight process. And in a person with high stress levels, this process is continuous 24/7. Now, certain foods like dairy and red wine do contain high levels of histamines, but you probably can tolerate them without issue like you used to if you just reduce your stress. I know it's true because once I learned how to control my stress, I've been able to eat anything that I wanted to without issue. It's been great. Now, for more information on this topic, hit the subscribe button below and check out our website, paincure.clinic.us. There's a link below. And also feel free to leave questions and comments because I'll read and respond to all of them. Thanks for watching.